Hello friends, myself Ravi Nania, and today I am here with my Viva topic, that is difference between method and constructor. So today's date 4th of the August 2022. So we will start with our topic, that is method and constructor difference. So in last video I had explained about constructor and method chaining. So but in that video I didn't explain much about method and constructor deeply. So in today's video we will see deeply about method and constructor. So we will start. So first we will go with method. So what is method? Method in Java we call it as method, but in other language, that is C++, we call it as function. So method, it is method is a block of element or lot of block used to perform particular task. So suppose we have a class shape, so we have to print area of circle. So we have to write the particular code inside a method, because in class whatever we want to execute we have to print, we have to do it inside a method. So to print the area of any particular shape, we have to write particular method of that shape. So inside a method we will write that formula and we will print that area of the particular shape. So this is simple. So method are mainly two types, that is static and non-static. So static means what is static and what is difference between static and non-static. So static method are those method in which when we have to call that method we don't need to create an object. So if we have static method, in that scenario, in that case we don't need to create any object of that class and call that method. We can directly access that method through its name, because static is used to refer the particular members which are related to class. So the other is non-static. So non-static as same as vice versa, or it is different from oppositely from static. So when we have to call non-static method, we have to create an object of that particular class and we have to call that method through that object. Suppose we have as same as my previous example, that is we have class shape. So inside it we have a non-static method, that is area circle. So when we want to call that particular method, we have to first create an object. Suppose we have created an object, that is ob1 of that shape class. So when we call, we have to write it ob1 dot at area circle. So the non-static method have to call with an object of that particular class. So this is normal difference between static and non-static method. So let us move to next part, that is constructor. So constructor mainly two types we can say, that is one is default and second is parameterized. Parameterized we can say one parameter, two parameter, or three parameter, or multi parameters. Default constructor is constructor or it is an constructor which we have not derived or not written inside a class. So every class contain at least one constructor. If we have written it or declared it or not declared it, it will if we don't declare any constructor, it will by default call an constructor. That constructor is called default constructor. If we define a constructor, that we can call it as parameterized constructor. It can be zero argument, zero parameterized, or zero argument. Zero argument, two parameterized means two argument, three parameterized means three argument or multiples. So the work of constructor is like that. It is used to initialize the instance variable. So suppose we have a class in which we have declared some variables, that is non-static, and we call as static instance variable that we have declared inside a class. So to initialize that variables, we used to when we create an object, the object or the constructor is called at that time, and then and it will initialize the value, initialize that value, that variables to its default value. So this is normal task, or this is the task of a constructor. It is used to initialize the instance variables declared inside a class. So difference between the method and constructor is that the method have its return type, but constructor don't have its return type. The name of method must be written in started, or the name of method is start with a small letter or starting with lowercase, and it contain different names related to our task. But the name of constructor is as same as the class name. It is uppercase or lowercase, but it will be or it should be as same as our class name. So I think I had explained about today's video, today's topic, and I will like to stop here, and thank you.